taken 250 grams paneer, coriander seeds, jeera, dried red chili and black pepper for powdered masala. Next, ginger garlic, 1 sliced onion, 2 chopped tomatoes. Firstly, dry roast all ingredients for powdered masala. Roast them till they turn aromatic. Once it's cooled, then blend it coarsely in a mixer. For onion tomato paste, take kadai and add 2 tablespoons oil and add ginger garlic. You can even use crushed ginger garlic paste. Next, add sliced onion and fry it till golden brown. Then add tomatoes and 5 cashews. Saute until the tomatoes are soft. Now add this mixture to blender after it cools completely. Next, for preparing gravy, add 1 tablespoon ghee and add bay leaf, green chili and kasuri methi to it and onion and fry for 30 seconds. Add turmeric and red chili powder to it. And now add onion tomato paste and mix well. In addition, add prepared masala powder as per your taste and also add salt as needed. Cook for 5 minutes. Now add 1 cup water and mix well. Add paneer to the gravy. Now add milk and mix them well. Now cover and cook for 5 to 8 minutes till the paneer absorbs the flavor in medium flame. Finally, add garam masala and chopped coriander leaves and mix well. And our kadai paneer is ready to serve. Friends, just try this recipe and let me know in the comments section. Like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next video, take care and bye.